Tara oras. Lah. Abi alas 9. Good night, girl. I'm Indonesian na. Good night, girl daw. You want to get married? Invite me when you are in your wedding day. Who baby you stole? Which one? No, it's mine. It's my baby. It's my baby. Daddy, daddy. Joke. It's my baby, of course. It's my niece doll. She leave it here. She leave it here. Yes. It's her doll. And she'll leave it here. Do you know the funny thing that I was thinking? You can seal it. Don't give. Don't give. You can give it in your neighbor. But you can seal. It's so expensive here. Fruits and vegetables. You plant a vegetable. I mean a fruits. Marcot or grafting. The marcot, so that you can have a fruits 1 year. No. No. You need to seal it, not to give other, because they are lazy. They are lazy people like me. I will get some fruits in your garden. Don't listen to her. No, I'm not mean. I'm just stating the truth that they are lazy like me. I'm stealing your fruits there and your vegetables. I'm still your need to doesn't need answer. Okay. But if you give them, they are lazy like a I will give away some. You give it in a Filipino, don't look at me like. What kind of look you want? Huh? What kind? I have a lot of dandruff, guys. I'm gonna go na. I'm going to sleep. Sarap mo! Bakit? Natikman mo na ako. Katikim ka na? Lalo na pag natikman mo ako. Like that. Amaw. But I'm not happy. I can't give you the happy look. Because I'm not happy. I'm sad. Give me like, everyone. And super stickers and super chat.